Kia ora. We've got some work going on at our place today, so I thought I'd better try and do my video for the week, phrase of the week outdoors, and I think it worked pretty well with my chalk on the concrete. I might do it again. This week's phrase is kia ata whakarongo. So you'll see there's a macron over the first A in ata, kia ata, so that macron just stretches that A out a bit. Kia ata whakarongo. So you probably can guess what that means, especially if you know our book Mahi Tahi, where we have kia ata haere, and we have kia ata titiro, which means look carefully, and kia ata haere, go carefully. So this one is listen carefully. So it's a really good one to use with children. Instead of just saying whakarongo or whakarongo tamariki mā, you can try a new phrase, kia ata whakarongo, listen carefully. Hopefully you'll enjoy that one this week. Ka kite.